My name is Aishwarya and hey everyone. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel The Beauty Place. My name is Aishwarya and in today's video I'm going to share with you a really easy cut crease eye makeup look. And this makeup look today I'm going to create with help of one famous and viral hack. Yes, so if you want to know about this hack and this tutorial and how you can create easy cut crease like a professional makeup artist, so keep on watching this video till end. And without wasting any time, let's get into this video. Okay, so guys, so in today's video we just need this one thing, that is spoon, and we are going to create cut crease with help of the spoon. As you can see, so now I'm just selecting a color from eyeshadow palette and I'm choosing this dark maroon shade from this eyeshadow palette from Nicka. You can select any color of your choice, but let the color be like more darker when you are creating a cut crease. And can you see how I've placed the spoon on my eyelids, and that's the way you should place, and you can see how easily the cut crease was created. But ignore my weird face that I'm doing while doing this tutorial. Okay, after that, now over here I was blending the cut crease, and here I'm just cleaning out the edges to get a clean look, and I'm cleaning with help of a little tiny bit quantity of concealer and a small brush. Over here I'm using the spoon as stencil, and this is the same spoon but the other side, and with help of that I'm trying to create a wing, and you can see how beautifully the wing got created. Now to make my wing look more proper and sharp, I'm going to extend that wing in inward direction of my eyelids. At the center I'm going to use this golden shade from Blowout palette from Beauty People, and I'm just going to dab it with help of my fingers on the remaining area where there was no eyeshadow applied previously. Alright, to glam up this look I'm going to use this glitters from Swiss Beauty, and again I'm using a golden glitter, and I'm just dabbing that glitter with help of my fingers on that golden shimmer shade. As you can see, adding glitters to this look has completely changed the look and has turned this look into more glamorous side. Alright guys, to complete this look I'm going to apply mascara on my upper lashes and on my lower lashes, but over here you have option to apply falsies as well, but it depends on you and your choice, because sometimes for me, for applying false lashes it's very uncomfortable. So if you want to go with falsies you can go with, or else mascara is enough to complete this entire look. With this we are done with our mini eye tutorial makeup look, and I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video. If you do like this video, make sure you hit the like button. Also guys, let me know what you think about this hack, and do let me know that in the comment section below. Okay, so I'll see you next time in another video. Till then, bye, take care, thanks for watching.